Welcome to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a quick video demonstration on the Saris 4032 MTR 2-bike platform hitch mounted bike rack. The Saris MTR 2-bike rack is only compatible with 2-inch hitches. The locking hitch bolt is included. Pull up on the quick release tabs to change the position of the bike trays. The MTR has 3 different positions: stowed position, in use position, and tilted position to access rear hatch area. To load your bike, squeeze the gray lever to allow the wheel holders to open. Place your bike on the tray with the front tire positioned in front of the wheel block, then fasten the wheel holders onto the tires with some force. The MTR bike rack includes integrated cable locks to lock your bike to the rack. Thanks for watching our Saris MTR bike rack demonstration. If you have any questions, please call us at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com, and always remember, we fit your lifestyle.